Forget the dropshipping hype. The real wealth in 2026 is built on unglamorous microservices that nobody brags about on social media, but quietly print thousands of dollars in recurring monthly cash flow. While 99% of flashy dropshippers fail after spending thousands on paid ads, boring service providers operate with 80% net profit margins right from their laptops. Here is the fundamental recurrence rule. Client retention beats viral hype every single time. A single business client paying you $500 per month who stays for 3 years generates $18,000 in net lifetime value. That single client is worth more than 50 one-time impulse sales. Maintaining 80% client retention is how sustainable long-term wealth is actually built. Let us break down business number 1, Embroidery Digitizing. Local print shops, apparel brands, and uniform suppliers constantly receive logo image files from customers in PNG or JPEG format. However, industrial embroidery machines cannot read flat image files. They require specialized stitch data files like DSD or PES. Your service converts standard logo files into flawless digital stitch files using digitizing software. With zero inventory and a low skill barrier, landing 10 uniform shop retainers generates $3,000 to $7,000 per month in passive recurring revenue. Moving to business number 2, Parcel Invoice Auditing. E-commerce brands ship thousands of packages every month through FedEx and UPS. Under federal carrier rules, if a package is delivered even 60 seconds late, the merchant is entitled to a 100% money-back refund. However, major carriers never issue these refunds automatically. Your auditing software scans the merchant's shipping manifest, flags late deliveries, and files refund claims. You charge zero upfront fee and take a 50% revenue split of all recovered funds. Operating with just 15 shipping clients scales past $75,000 per year. Next is business number 3, Commercial Lease Abstraction. Real estate investment firms, property managers, and corporate tenants manage complex commercial leases that span hundreds of pages. Extracting critical legal terms, payment schedules, renewal options, and escalation clauses manually takes days. Your service abstracts these massive lease contracts into structured one-page financial summaries. Real estate firms pay high-ticket batch fees ranging from $15,000 to $45,000 per deal package. Option number 4 is cloud cost optimization. Enterprise companies routinely waste 30% of their monthly AWS and Microsoft Azure cloud compute budgets on unattached storage volumes and over-provisioned virtual servers. By auditing their infrastructure and implementing automated right-sizing rules, you slash their cloud bills by tens of thousands per month. Enterprise clients happily pay $10,000 to $30,000 per month in performance-based retainers. Option number 5 is AI workflow automation. Small and medium businesses are eager to implement artificial intelligence, but lack the technical expertise to connect their systems. Using platforms like Zapier, Make, and Claude AI, you build automated pipelines for lead routing, document processing, and customer support. Delivering turnkey automation earns $5,000 to $20,000 in monthly retainer contracts. Option number 6 is rank and rent websites. Instead of doing client SEO, you build and rank hyperlocal service websites for niche keywords like plumber or electrician in specific cities. Once the site ranks on page 1 of Google and generates phone calls, you rent the entire digital asset to a local contractor for $800 to $2,500 per month in pure passive cash flow. Option number 7 is niche job boards. Monopolize underserved professional industries by building targeted job boards. Employers pay premium automated posting fees ranging from $100 to $300 per listing, generating $4,000 to $10,000 per month. Finally, the boss level, freight brokerage. Act as the vital middleman connecting commercial shippers with licensed truck carriers. With high transaction volumes, freight brokers earn up to $27,000 per month. Here's your 30-day challenge. Pick one boring business today, master the workflow, land your first 3 clients, and post your progress. The hype fades, but boring money lasts forever.